The best way to engage people is to show them people they can relate to. This is a well-known marketing strategy and is the reason we've put together this list of Envato Elements' top 10 best character animation kits. All items featured are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Bubblehead Character Kit by Black ID Cat. This cutesy character animation kit contains 22 compositions that you can use to create your own unique story. It includes text elements for use as speech bubbles and thought bubbles to complement the stylized bubblehead character design. Number 9. Rigmo, Rigged Character Animation Mockup by CreArt Design. The character design choices in this animation mockup kit are endless. Utilize After Effects editing features to create the perfect character for your presentation, explainer video, or other project. Number 8. Character Design Animation Toolkit by Premium Milk. Versatility is the crowning feature of this character animation kit. The elements included allow for character design to suit any industry from travel to insurance, sports and fitness to hospitality, and much, much more. Number 7. Customizable Character Face Rig by Kieran Duffy 3. Create the face that you need to represent your next animated video project with this creative character face customizer. You can edit all facial features from expressions to face width. Accessories like glasses are also included. Number 6. Fantastic Characters Walk Cycles by Kieran Duffy 3. Use this character animation kit to build custom characters of all ages, genders, races, and other defining features. Simple controls allow you to modify their look. Watch them happily stroll across the screen when you've finished your edits. There's a subscription bell on the screen that we'd love for you to ring if you found this video helpful. You can also like and share this video to show your support. We love creating videos like this, Envato Elements' Top 10 Best Character Animation Kits list to help creatives do their thing. So any way you can support our cause is appreciated. Now, let's get back to the top 5 entries. Number 5. Design and Motion Character Kit by Two Dead Frog. With a wide range of over 70 characters, animations, and accessories, this kit is going to be a seriously handy addition to any designer's toolkit. Work with themed characters from a variety of backgrounds, including scientists, project managers, ballerinas, and more. Number 4. Simple Characters Explainer Toolkit by Premium Milk. The animated characters in this pack are simple, but highly effective when it comes to engaging audiences. Also included in this kit are 20 animated backgrounds to help piece together the perfect setting to promote your next project. Number 3. Pictogram Character Kit by Two Dead Frog. Animate a range of characters to walk, run, speak into a microphone, hold an umbrella, shake hands, or work at a desk, just to name a few. This kit is useful for game design, marketing videos, and much more. Number 2. Corporate Female Character Toolkit Volume 1 by Esron. Highlight the power of women in the workforce with this modern, fully customizable female character animation kit. Personalize facial features, hairstyle, and color, and other aspects to show your character in a professional corporate setting. Number 1. Fantastic Characters for Explainer Animations by Kieran Duffy 3. Intuitive design controls, 9 animated templates, a high level of versatility, and easy After Effects customization makes this character animation kit our number 1 choice for this list. Did we choose the right item for our number 1 spot? Let us know in the comments. If you've enjoyed this Envato Elements Top 10 Best Character Animation Kits countdown, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to show your support. You'll find that the next video in the queue has been selected just for you. Check it out before you go. You can find all the character animation kits in this list by subscribing to Envato Elements. Now, get out there and engage your audience with the power of people.